Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to show how you can import open customer invoice and open vendor bills in Odoo with different currencies. So when you are opening your business or transferring your existing accounting data to Odoo, definitely entire opening balance is required. So this type of videos for opening balance, you can definitely go and refer to my friend Pinky Shah channel, where you can find a complete tutorial of opening balance uh, import in Odoo19, and I will share the link also for that video. Now, this video of mine is focusing on how you can create the opening balance of receivable and payable with different currencies. So here, first thing is we have to prepare our import compatible file mentioning partners, bill date, due date, any reference number of that particular bill or invoice, then the price amount of that invoice, and then the account which are going to be used, and then label and the currency ID. So currency ID is the ID representation, but this currency ID is required base.usd or base.aed or base.euro, which you can export from system and then take it over here as a reference. And then this is very important information of invoice currency rate. So this will play a major role on each and every invoice when you import, when you book in your previous system, whatever rate was there, you have to pick and give over here. Same way you can create for account receivable with the same information with same currency rate. So over here, AED is my primary currency, where USD and Euro are my another separate currencies. These are the thing. Once it is done, then the second thing is you have to make sure you enable with all the currency which you are importing the data with. Then during the import of trial balance or such opening balance, we always create a kind of suspense account, because we are not going to book any sales, because during your invoice creation a sales account will hit against the receivable account. And another part is when you book any vendor bill, an expense account will be booked against your payable. So we are creating an ARAP suspense account, and I have given the number over here, and then I am using the same account over here in both the data of AR and AP. Once these things are ready, you can directly go over here in customer invoice and punch import record and upload your file. So once you upload your file, you can see Odoo will automatically map your partner, bill date, due date, reference, the price detail of invoice line, then account and the label. And then these are the two important information which will reflect your currency rate and currency ID. Once it is done, you can simply test and import the data. Okay, so just hold on. I have, I think, done wrong import of AP, so I can go and delete it easily because it is in draft. Now I am going into invoice again and import the records and import the same template. And over here, I am choosing the another sheet. AR means account receivable, and everything is mapped. I can test. If everything is perfect, I can do import right away. So based on this, now you can see a price reflection of euro. Amount of invoice will be here with its respective journal item with my imported currency rate over here. So that is what I have given in account receivable, and this is the fourth one, 0.24 is the euro amount, which you can see over here. Same way, when you go to invoice, which is in USD, then you can see 0.272 is the amount which you can find over here, which is same Odoo has picked over here. Now, let's say if I create any new invoice for any new customer in USD, Odoo will pick the rate which is coming from the system. Okay, so if I'm changing the date and from my system configuration of currencies, Odoo will pick the date. Okay, so over here, when I'm booking any new invoice, okay, so that when I'm booking any new line, okay, this particular booking will be done according to that particular default rate. So now I have created all four invoice and I can just say confirm entries. So my bills are posted over here in replacement of my sales account, and then my receivable will be open with exact amount with the respective due date. Now the same thing, we will go and book our previous system's bill. We can upload the data, upload the file, and account payable file is there. We test it and then we import. That's it. We are done with this. And then you can see a USD rate of 0.28, which is reflecting over here in AP account payable sheet is same over here now. And then I can confirm the bill and then it will book everything over here. Okay, so this is the way you can now import your opening balance as a part of account receivable and account payable with different currency and its respective rate from your previous system as it is in Odoo. So again guys, thank you very much for this video, and you can refer to my friend Pinky Shah's video for entire trial balance and opening balance video, which you can see on my link below. And specifically for AR and AP with different currency rate, you can refer to my video over here. If you have any query, reach out to us on TechVaria and my YouTube channel as well as LinkedIn and email. Thank you guys. Have a good day.